industrial-style living room with exposed brick walls and metal accents. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the rugged and stylish world of industrial-style living rooms, featuring exposed brick walls and metal accents. If you love the raw, unfinished look that's both edgy and sophisticated, then industrial design might be the perfect fit for your living room. Join us as we explore how to create a space that embodies the charm of urban loft living with a touch of modern elegance. What you'll discover in this video. 1. Understanding industrial style. Learn the key elements that define industrial design, including its focus on raw materials, utilitarian furniture, and a neutral color palette. We'll explore how this style, inspired by old factories and warehouses, brings a sense of history and character to your living room. 2. Highlighting exposed brick walls. Discover how to make the most of exposed brick walls, one of the hallmarks of industrial design. We'll share tips on how to accentuate the natural texture and color of brick, creating a warm and inviting backdrop for your living room. 3. Incorporating metal accents. Find out how to incorporate metal accents into your industrial living room. We'll explore options like steel, iron, and copper in furniture, lighting, and decor elements that add an edgy modern touch to the space. 4. Choosing industrial furniture. Learn how to select furniture that complements the industrial style. We'll discuss the use of functional and sturdy pieces made from materials like reclaimed wood and metal, which embody the rugged aesthetic of industrial design. 5. Creating an open and airy space. Industrial design often features open layouts and large windows that flood the space with natural light. We'll share ideas on how to create an open and airy feel in your living room, even if your space is more compact. 6. Adding vintage and reclaimed pieces. Discover how to incorporate vintage and reclaimed items that enhance the industrial vibe. We'll explore how to use old factory carts, metal lockers, and reclaimed wood furniture to add authenticity and charm to your space. 7. Balancing warmth and minimalism. Industrial style is known for its minimalist approach, but that doesn't mean it can't be warm and inviting. We'll discuss how to balance the raw, unfinished look with cozy textiles, soft lighting, and warm color accents. 8. Lighting your industrial space. Explore lighting options that complement your industrial living room. We'll delve into the use of pendant lights, Edison bulbs, and metal fixtures that provide both function and style, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. 9. Personalizing your decor. Learn how to personalize your industrial living room with decor that reflects your style. We'll share ideas for adding artwork, plants, and unique accessories that bring character and individuality to your space. 10. Using a neutral color palette. Find out how to choose a neutral color palette that aligns with the industrial style. We'll provide tips on using shades of gray, brown, and black, with pops of color to create a cohesive and visually appealing environment. Why choose an industrial-style living room with exposed brick walls and metal accents? Urban and stylish. Industrial design offers an urban, stylish look that's both modern and timeless, perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist yet bold aesthetic. Versatile and adaptable. The industrial style is versatile, allowing you to mix modern and vintage elements, making it adaptable to different tastes and spaces. Authentic and character-driven. The use of raw materials like exposed brick and metal adds authenticity and character to your living room, creating a space that feels unique and personal. Functional and durable. Industrial furniture is not only stylish but also functional and durable, designed to withstand the test of time while offering practical solutions for everyday living. Warm yet minimalist. With the right balance of textures and colors, an industrial living room can be both warm and minimalist, offering a cozy retreat that's full of personality. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to update your existing space, this video is packed with inspiration and practical tips to help you create the perfect industrial-style living room with exposed brick walls and metal accents. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration and interior design tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own industrial decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!